Hi, let me show you how you can use Prostir MCP or Prostir Studio inside your ChatGPT application. So I already connect Prostir through application, and now you can do whatever you want with our application using this MCP. So let's start from something simple, like how many apps do I have? Of course, it will call API, see, and I have 5 apps, and this is true. Can you show me a dashboard? Also, you can see some kind of dashboard. Yeah, see, this is a dashboard about your application and stuff like this. And now you can work on some applications. See, for example, I have test application 1. So what is this test app 1 is about? This is exactly what it is. It shows me my knowledges, my statuses, and stuff like this. So now I can tune it. Like, please review system. You can ask your ChatGPT to work for you, to create application for you, to adjust this application. You can also work with knowledges, with tools, with anything that can be built by ChatGPT. I think this is exactly a way how you can easily create any applications. Just ask ChatGPT in the way you are usually doing that, and ChatGPT will build these applications for you. So simple. Just wait. ChatGPT knows about you, about your preferences. Maybe you already have your AI set up inside ChatGPT, so it can just move it, copy paste it from your files and put it inside this application. Obviously, you have to review it one more time, make sure everything is correct, but it is what it is. Mm, see what happened here? Perfect. Then you can just publish new version. And while it publishes it, we can check. See, it was version 0.1. Now it's published 0.2. It's ask permissions, of course. All this application must ask permissions because you have to be in charge and in control whatever stuff you're doing. Yes. Oh wow. It's published. See, now it's a version 2. It's provide view endpoint for that application. And now you can, of course, ask about show me dashboard one more time to see if it will be updated also inside dashboard. Yeah, as you can see, test app now with version 2. So this is it. This is how simple you can manage your application through ChatGPT. See you later.